So now that you have known how you can rationalize a surd, now that you know how to rationalize it, now when you are given a question, let's say when you are given a question now, root of 14, for example, divided by root of 7, then you subtract root of 2. Then you subtract now from this one, so you have subtract root of 14 divided by root of 7 plus root of 2, where your answer will be now A root of 7 plus B root of 2, where now can be given this question as an application from the surds. So where you can be told now where A and B are what? Are rational numbers. So when you are told A and B are rational numbers, so a rational number is a number which is an whole number or even a fraction is an irrational number. You see, like 1/2, 6/9, these are rational numbers. These are rational numbers. Even 2, 3, 5, any number, rational. But a number like root of 2, this is an irrational number. So let's calculate this one. So when you are given this question now, you will break this question into two. So you will first rationalize this part of the question, then you rationalize this one. So after now you have rationalized the two numbers. Now the two numbers have been rationalized. So you now subtract after rationalizing. You see? So let's do it. So the first step now is to rationalize. So you start by this one. So let's start by this one. So it will be now root of 14 divided by root of 7 minus root of 2. So rationalizing this one now, so you will say, you will let root of 7 be, for example, x, and then root of 2 be, for example, y, for example. So making this root of 7 and root of 2 be letters, representing it in letters, will make it easier. For example, when someone now meets a number like root of 2 multiplied by root of 7, so someone will see it as if it is difficult to do it or what. So using this one will make that sum be easier. So now we'll say now root of 14 divided by x minus y, these ones now. Okay, so you multiply the numerator and the denominator by this x minus y. So x minus y here. So x minus y here. See it? So now so this one will be now x root of 14 minus y root of 14. You divided by now. We had already rationalized this one in the previous lesson. So now it will be easier now. So now this one will be x squared, so minus xy minus xy plus y squared. So this one will be x root of 14 minus y root of 14, you divided by x squared minus this one will be 2xy, so plus y squared. So when you are here now, when you are here now, so you see you have rationalized that number. When you have rationalized this number now, you come and replace those letters that you had already used, that is x and y. So you had already said x is root of 7, y is root of 2. So you now replace it. So here, so x is root of 7. So it will be now root of 7 multiplied by root of 14. Root of 7, root of 14. So it will be root of 98. So minus, so y multiplied by root of 14, that is y. Now we had already say it is root of 2. So root of 2 multiplied by root of 14 will give you root of 28. Then you divide it by now. X squared now will be root of 7 squared. So root of 7 squared is like 7. So minus 2 into now. So x multiplied by y. So that is root of 2 multiplied by root of 7. So that one will give you root of 14. Plus now this one y squared. So y squared now will be, it will be now root of 2 squared, which will be 2. Okay, so it will be now root of 98 minus root of 28 divided by, so this one you will sum up, this one you will collect like terms. So 7 and 2 will be 9. So 9 minus 2 root of 14. So now you have you have now finished this first part of that question. So you now go to the next part of the question by rationalizing this one also. So after rationalizing this one, there is no need of simplifying, because you have already not completed the subtraction part of that answer. So you come and rationalize this one. So you come here now, it will be root of 14. So root of 14 divided by root of 7 plus root of 2. So it will be now, so you let root of 7 be, for example, x. Root of y now can say be, for example, or root of, I mean root of 2 be y. So then you go again, so it will be here x plus y. So you multiply x plus y here. So you multiply here x plus y. So here it will be x root of 14 plus y root of 14 divided by here x squared plus xy plus x squared, plus xy plus, so x squared plus xy plus xy, again this one, so plus y squared. So it will be now x root of 14 plus y root of 14, you divided by x squared plus 2xy plus y squared now. So you replace the x and y. So when you replace it, so root of, so x is root of 7, so it will be a root of 98 plus y, which is root of 2, multiplied by root of 14, which is root of 28, divided by x square. X square is the root 7 square, which is 7, plus 2 into x multiplied by y, which is root of 7, multiplied by root of 2, which is root of 14. Okay, plus now y squared. The y square now is the root of 2 squared, so which is 2. So now it will be now root of 98 plus root of 28 divided by 9 plus 2 root of 14. So this is the next part of the of uh, of the equation here. So now you now subtract. Now that was the first part of the equation was this one, so it will be now transferred here, root of 98 minus root of 28. So it was divided by, it was now divided by 9 minus 2 root of 14. Then you subtract this one, root of 98 plus root of 28 divided by 9 plus 2 root of 14. Now the LCM here is 9 plus 2 root of 14, because this one alike. So this one, is the LCM. So you get the LCM of the two. So you get 9 plus 2 root of 14 there. So it will be now 9 plus 2 root of 14 divided by this one will be 1. 1 multiplied by this one will be root of 98 minus root of 28 minus, so you put it into brackets because there is a subtraction here. So this one divided by this one will be 1 again. So it will be 1 multiplied by this one will be root of 98 plus root of 28. So it will be root of 98 minus root of 28. So you open the negative here with the brackets, this one, these numbers here. So it will be minus root of 98. So minus the positive one will be negative root of 28. So divided by the LCM now here, 9 plus 2 root of 14. Again, so this one will cancel each other out. So this one will go, so it will be, so this one is like now saying, it's like saying root of negative root of 28 minus root of 28. These are like minus, so you can let root of 28 be x. So you say negative x minus x, this is negative 2x, then you replace it, so it will be negative 2 root of 28. So negative 2 root of 28. So it will be now, so negative 2 root of 28, you divide here by the LCM, which is 9 plus 2 root of 14. So this is like saying this number divide this one, this number divides this one. So it will be now negative 2 root of 28 divided by 9 plus negative 2 root of 28 divided by 2 root of 14. So now, so this one, root of 28, it's like saying root of 4 multiplied by root of 7, which is 2 root of uh, 2 root of 7. So it will be negative. So this one will multiply by this one will be negative 4 root of 7 divided by 9. So plus, so this one again, it will be negative. It will be now, so this one you can say this one will cancel each other. It will be negative 1. So into, so negative 1 into, so root of 28 divided by root of 14 is root of 2. So it will be now negative 4 all over 9 root of 7. So so plus negative root of 2. It's like now saying negative 4 over 9 root of 7 minus root of 2. So now we had already said, so this one will be a now. So this one will be a. So this one is like having a 1 here. So it's b will be now negative 1, and a will be negative 4 all over, that is negative this one negative 4 over 9. So a and b, now a will be negative 4 over 9, b will be negative 1. So and that's the answer.